Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Limits like this get easy fast when you spot the hidden derivative, so watch this quick move and the correct choice practically reveals itself. This fraction matches the derivative definition for f of x equals e to the negative x because it has f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 all over h. Now, differentiate that function. If f of x is e to the negative x, then f prime of x is negative e to the negative x by the chain rule. So the limit is f prime of 1, which becomes negative e to the negative 1, and that simplifies cleanly to negative 1 over e. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given form and check each derivative step carefully.